Welcome back guys. Today I am going to share with you simple yet delicious recipe which my Baji used to make for us when we used to visit him during our winter vacations. Now that he is not here with us anymore, I'll try to recreate his lamb keema recipe with you with just enough spices for flavor but not too much. We will start by heating 2 tablespoons of clarified butter in a pan and add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds to it. Wait for cumin seeds to splutter and then we add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon red chili powder and quarter teaspoon Kashmiri red chili. Frying these dry spices in oil or butter gives beautiful red-orange color to our dish. Now we add finely chopped 1 tablespoon garlic. Cook it for a while and then we add 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. Cook them both until the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes off. After ginger and garlic, we add finely chopped onions. Cook onions until they are soft and light golden in color and then add salt as per your taste. Add tomato pulp and cook until oil separates out on the top. Now we add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. We will add half of the cilantro now and keep some for garnishing. Add 1 teaspoon dried and crushed fenugreek powder. In the end, add 500 grams of minced lamb. Cook and stir it for 20 minutes or until lamb is browned and crumbly. We will keep on stirring it to prevent it from burning. When cooked on low heat for a long time, the meat becomes tender and you get that perfect juicy and crumbly keema. Cook it covered for 5 minutes for meat to release moisture. This makes meat soft and now we will cook it uncovered until the keema is all dry. Add 2 tablespoons of cream. Give it a mix and here is your perfectly cooked, creamy, juicy and crumbly, full of exotic flavors lamb keema. Remove it in a serving dish and garnish with finely chopped cilantro, slit green chilies and ginger juliennes. Serve hot and enjoy with chapati or naan. Please try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.